another video, and today, which I haven't done in a while, I'm doing another unboxing. So, I ordered 2 LPS, by the way, PS. Sorry for my nails. I know that it's going to annoy a lot of people, but I don't have time because I need to film this while the sun is still up. Sorry for the bad lighting, it's very cloudy today. Anyway, so I ordered a short-haired cat, but I don't know if she's going to be real or not because it is a pretty cheap price. By the way, sorry for any background noises. It is a pretty cheap price for the cat that she was, so she might be the fake, and if she is a fake, I'm probably going to be customizing her. But I have another one that I think is going to be real. Let's get to the unboxing. By the way, I got her from lpsqueen.com. I haven't gotten a fake LPS from her yet, and she is the person which I have gotten all my real LPS from, you know, except for the other ones. I have gotten quite a few from her, but not all of them, you know, of course not all of them. Oh, and by the way, Jingle Bell, you know, it's officially after Thanksgiving and Halloween, so it is officially Christmas decoration time. So let's get on to the unboxing. So I have opened the package, but don't worry guys, I didn't look inside. The reason why I didn't open it on camera was because when I tried to open it, it takes a long time. This is so sticky, like it's unbelievable how sticky it is. And every time I tried to pull it, it went into a million pieces. So yeah. Anyway, so let's ASMR video. Let's get to the unboxing. I don't know if they're both coming or if it's just one, but I have a feeling since I ordered them at like the exact same time, it might be 2. Here they are. Okay, so you might have saw what these are, but I'm praying that this LPS is real. Okay. This is the short-haired cat, Brooke, as you might know from Sugar. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. She is authentic. Guys, she was only $13. And she is authentic. I don't even care. She doesn't even have that much depth. Guys, this is like the first really popular LPS that I have gotten. She's not super popular, but I say she's pretty popular for a good price, and she is real. Oh my gosh, guys. You can see that is, you might not see as good as in real life, but that is a clear peg. She has her magnet. The words are not too big. That's, by the way, how you can all tell if she's a fake. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm so excited I got the real Brooklyn LPS. Guys, I don't know what to say. I really thought she was going to be a fake, and I was going to customize her, but no, she is real. Oh my gosh, she's authentic. Okay, let's put the amazing Brooklyn behind for a minute. I got this super cute Chihuahua. I've been long-haired Chihuahua, if you're wondering. I've been wanting a Chihuahua for so long because I think they're just so cute with their giant big ears. They're so cute. Let's see, guys. Oh, she's authentic. She comes with a little brain magnet. Oh my gosh, guys. I got 2 authentic LPS. And she was only $8 if you're wondering. Oh my gosh. And I did pay these with my own money. Yes, my parents did buy it, but I did pay them back, if you're wondering. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. This is my first LPS long-haired Chihuahua, if you're wondering. And oh my gosh, she's so pretty. She has so many eyelashes. And she also got that fidget spinner eyes. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Just a minute. Maybe I do have fidget spinner eyes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty she is. And my camera's actually being nice and focusing. I also love her because it's a natural kind of color, you know, unlike, not that I get an mascot with a natural color. 100% real natural color, everyone. Definitely. Blue is definitely a natural color for a dog. Well, anyway, you guys, I'm online, if you're wondering. But she is a natural kind of color, and I love the freckles. I did actually one of my custom with freckles. I think they're so cute, and so many eyelashes, and I love her blue eyes. But she is so pretty, and she's authentic, if you're still wondering. Gosh, she's so cute. But now let's get to the real one. Oh my gosh, she is authentic. Now let me show you my fake against the authentic. Okay guys, here is the real against authentic. Oh my gosh guys, can you actually, guys, if you're wondering how these cost, she was $13. Take a guess how much this fake was. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. She was $17, guys. She was $17, and she was 13, and she is a real one. That angers me a little bit, but you can definitely tell. Look how much she bubbles, how much she does. Like, she does bubble a little bit, but like that much. And then she actually like properly bubbles. Guys, ASMR video. Just forget the whole title, ASMR video now. But, oh my gosh, you can just tell her body is a different shade from her head. She does have the magnet, but it's not a clear peg. She's definitely fake. She has a magnet too, and she is authentic, guys. She does have a little bit there and a little bit there, but overall, she is in really good condition, guys. Like, wow. And oh my gosh, she's just so pretty. I love this. But oh my gosh, I did not think she'd be real. But you know what that means, guys. New custom coming. But yeah, I guess that's mostly what I have to say. She is so, I love these guys, like, oh my gosh, she is so pretty, she is so pretty, like, authentic, $13, authentic, $8, fake, $18, goodbye. Now, let's just talk about their colors for a little bit. So, of course, Brooklyn is a kind of blonde color with a more yellow shade to her feet and ears, with nice pink inside of her ears with blue eyes. Now this is a nice natural kind of brown color with a whitish blonde on her ears with cute freckles, also with blue eyes and with fidget spinner looking eye shape of the white dots in their eyes. And yeah, I know that's not what they're called, but that's what I like to call them. And with more white on her chest and feet and tail. And oh my gosh, guys, they are so amazing. And they are real. Like, these are both authentic. Authentic. What the heck, guys? I'm amazed. I really thought that she was going to be a fake. Oh my gosh, guys. No. Okay. I hope you like this video, and I can't believe that this Brooklyn short-haired cat was authentic. Like, guys, that is amazing. Now, sorry for the bad lighting, sorry for any background noises. My house is just a bit noisy at times. And oh my gosh. By the way, I still have that fake LPS Brooklyn in the corner on my desk. Don't need to know that, just saying. Anyway, so guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like my new intro and my new outro. And as always, subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification, and stay sweet. Bye!